So ask your injector to put more units of Botox where you get the shots. That may be the answer. Hello, Alli here. For those of you who don't know me, I'm a retired attorney and I love doing research, especially about health and beauty. Something that's been frustrating me lately is my Botox isn't lasting. I went to this one doctor and my Botox lasted 4 to 6 months. Well, that doctor retired and I've been going to this new provider. I've actually tried several providers or injectors, and my Botox only lasts for about 6 to 10 weeks. We hear so much about Botox immunity or building up antibodies to Botox. That's very unlikely because only about 1 to 3% or 1 in 10,000 build up an immunity to Botox. If you really think you have an immunity to Botox, your physician can order a blood test to determine if you have antibodies to Botox. Apparently, it's a very expensive test, but it is a tool available to us. It's more likely you have other issues going on. You may just need more units of Botox. The Food and Drug Administration recommends 24 units of Botox for your eye area. That's 12 units of Botox on each side. I did read where one injector put up to 20 units of Botox on each side. That seems like a lot, but the point is you can get more Botox than 12 units on each side of your eyes. For your glabellar lines or your 11s, you can get anywhere from 25 to 40 units. And for your forehead, you can get anywhere from 15 to 30 units. So ask your injector to put more units of Botox where you get the shots. That may be the answer. You may need to try a different injector. Go to a board-certified physician. A board-certified physician is someone who has additional training in their field and has a high level of expertise in that field. Doctors that know facial aesthetics are plastic surgeons, dermatologists, ears, nose, and throat doctors, and ophthalmologists. Ophthalmologists were one of the first physicians to work with Botox. They used it for excessive blinking and alignment of the eyes. They have an intricate understanding of the eyes and movement of the eyes. They work with eyes on a daily basis. They understand the complex muscles of the eye area, and they are trained to treat sagging brows as well. Many of them are oculoplastic surgeons. They do reconstructive and cosmetic surgery of the eye area. And don't cut out your physician's assistants or registered nurses. Many of them are very talented. Just find out about their training and get some references. And if you go to a new injector, give them a chance. It may take them a few tries to get it right. There may be an issue with your aftercare as well. Don't press on your injection site after Botox. You will see these little bumps after your injections. Don't press on those, and don't let your injector press on those injection sites. It takes about 20 minutes for the Botox to absorb into the muscle. A little bit of pressure is okay, but that's it. Let the Botox absorb into the muscle. I'm saying that again. Let it absorb into the muscle, leave it alone, and that's it. Studies also show that icing before Botox is okay, but icing after Botox is not okay. So ice before your Botox, but don't ice afterwards. Don't lay on your face the first 4 hours after Botox, and don't sleep on your face the first night after Botox. We shouldn't be sleeping on our faces anyway. I also read that taking 50 milligrams of zinc can improve the efficacy of Botox, but I also read another study pointing out some skepticism surrounding that claim. So it sounds like there needs to be more research surrounding zinc and how it affects Botox. Also, some of you may need to stick with lower intensity workouts. I know that's hard for some of you. I too was an exercise junkie in my day, but higher intensity workouts cause you to metabolize the Botox faster. And some of us just have a faster metabolism, and we metabolize Botox faster. Well, I guess the good news is you have a faster metabolism. Another thing is to avoid exercising 24 hours after Botox. This could cause blood flow to the injection site and to move the Botox from the injection site. And of course, there's always the dark side of Botox. Watch out for these injectors who aren't giving you the number of units you paid for, or they have these great specials. The average price for Botox is anywhere between $12 and $15 per unit. It's possible an injector could water down the Botox, but it's more likely they're not giving you the number of units you discuss with them. Anyway, that's my video. I hope that was helpful. Remember, being kind makes us the most beautiful. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more videos.